In the waters around the UK and Northern Europe, one of the most common marine mammals is the harbour porpoise. These are very small animals that live in small groups and hunt via echolocation for fish. In echolocation, a sound is made, the animals hear the echoes coming back, and so find prey and capture it. What makes it really, really challenging to study is that porpoises rely upon sounds that are 10 times higher than the highest frequencies that we can hear. They're very, very hard to spot because they've got a very tiny dorsal fin. They're really a hard animal to study just visually from the surface. Our main tool for studying porpoises has been the D-tag, a digital tag. A D-tag is like a voice recorder and a fitness tracker all rolled into one. So it records the sounds that the animals make and hear, but most importantly for us, it also records their movements the same way as a fitness tracker might do for you. It sits on the animal with suction cups. So to make a tag for a porpoise, the main things we had to make it as small a unit as possible. Then we had to figure out how to make it withstand pressure and salt water. So we ended up casting the device into a solid plastic, into an epoxy resin. So when we get a tag back, we're tremendously excited, but it's a huge volume of data. Yeah, zoom out here. Grab a look at this one. What we found was that when they are searching for fish, they make clicks at a steady pace. But then when they close in on a school of fish to pick out an individual fish, they speed up very, very quickly. That's what we call a buzz. It's just very, very fast clicking. It was clear that porpoises were often going after shoals of fish, but ultimately they were picking out a single fish in order to eat. Down in here, very faint, you can see an echo from a fish that the porpoise has selected. The porpoise has latched onto this fish and it continues to move towards it, clicking relatively slowly, but then accelerates really quickly in its clicking until it goes into a buzz. But suddenly the fish is in the game and it's moving away. A few moments later, the porpoise starts closing in again on the fish and finally strikes at it and succeeds to capture it. What we learned from looking at all the data is that porpoises are continuously feeding and are able to catch up to 500 fish an hour. Seeing how often they need to find fish in order to survive made us worried because of our activities, because of the noise we make underwater from shipping or construction. It may be a real problem for porpoises.